Ever wondered why some people always have money while others are always broke? Kung gusto mong hindi ka laging kapos or paycheck to paycheck, listen to these simple tips. Tip number 1, pay yourself first. Alam ko lagi nyo nang naririnig to, but before spending on anything, set aside a portion of your income for savings and investments. Unahin mo muna magtabi ng pera bago gumastos. Treat it like a bill na kailangan mong bayaran on a regular basis or every time na dumadating ang salary mo. Number 2, track your expenses. Maraming tao ang hindi alam kung saan napupunta ang pera nila. Start by writing down all your expenses like kape, online shopping, food delivery. Trust me, magugulat ka kung gaano kalaki ang nagagastos mo sa mga maliliit na bagay. Tip number 3, avoid impulse buying. Before buying something, ask yourself, do I really need this? Kung hindi naman, try waiting for 24 hours. Madalas, makakalimutan mo na gusto mo pala yun, which means hindi mo talaga sa kailangan. Number 4, set financial goals. Saving without a goal is like driving without a destination. Dapat may purpose ang pag-iipon mo, like emergency funds, investments, or for retirement. Kapag may goal ka, mas madaling magtipid. Lastly, live below your means. Just because you can afford something doesn't mean you should buy it. Matuto kang mamuhay na hindi lumalagpas sa kaya ng bulsa mo. Huwag puro gastos pagdating ng sweldo. Financial discipline isn't about depriving yourself. It's about making smarter choices. Gusto mo pa ng more money tips? Follow me for more.